Viewers, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I'm going to teach you how to count from 50 to 400 in pure Khana Ogoni language. So, start to 60 is start to. Then here we have 70, which is tatu lelo. That is 70. Then here we have 80, which is niatu. Then 90, which is niatu lelo. Then 100, it is 002 because it is 5 in number. When you add 20 naira into 5, it will give you 100, which is the 002. As by son 002 002 002. Here is 300, which is tason 002. Tason 002. And here is 400, where the mathematics is. Here is zin bo zimbo. What make up this zimbo?